what's up guys? So, really quick minute 2 video, I'm not gonna blabble. Sema voting starts today, 12 p.m. That's when this video is gonna be posted, 12 p.m. in my time. Sorry, so go vote, go on the link, it's gonna be in the comments, it's gonna be in the description. I'm gonna mention it, like I said, I do kind of do daily uploads, I'm gonna mention it in every video so you guys remember. Just log in with your Facebook account, vote every 24 hours. First stage, each stage is like a week long and it just eliminates you to smaller and smaller, and we could take this thing to Sema. I know for a fact I'm gonna have it done. I know for a fact I'm gonna have the kit on and stuff like that within a month with how fast it's gonna be with the CNC process now, which the guy is starting today. So please go support me. It means the world to get this car because it's just like a bucket list thing, and obviously Sema is a crazy amount of exposure which will help me fund this car a lot. So please, thank you, have a great day.